Hey campers, on today's 2-Minute Travel Trailer Tuesday, I want to go over the brand new 2026 Keystone Sprout. This is a 19 RKS. The Sprout 19 RKS comes in at 4,045 pounds, has a dry hitch weight of 455 pounds, and a cargo carrying capacity of 1,455 pounds. Comes with a power tongue jack, two 20-pound propane tanks. We have a powder-coated gray frame, a beautiful automotive aluminum sidewall, which is a little lighter than fiberglass. We have that pass-through storage along the front with all of our water connections over here. We have that beautiful little slide, on-demand hot water, awesome LED accent lighting that is dimmable and you can turn it on and off. Full-size spare tire in the back, 4-inch bumper in the rear to store our things inside. 2-step entrance to get in, beautiful electric awning. And over here inside the door, we can turn on and off that outside accent light. We have our solar controller, and we are also prepped for an inverter. As we go inside, we'll see the beautiful dimmable lighting in here as well. This awesome kitchen with a huge 10.7 cubic foot fridge, ran off 12 volt. This is a little sofa that pops into a bed with a jackknife sofa, but also has recliners. We have an awesome composite style countertop, 24-inch smart TV, beautiful bathroom with a sink, storage, mirror, and shower with an overhead skylight. Walk right through into that, and then we have our master bed up front with a walk-around queen bed, some neat-looking wardrobes, windows on both sides for a nice little cross breeze, nightstands with charging ports, and more. All right, we've finished the video. I greatly appreciate you sticking around for this 2-Minute Travel Trailer Tuesday. I hope you like the 19 RKS. If you do, and you want to see more of these videos, hit that subscribe button and keep on coming back. If you want a nice thorough walkthrough video, check out the Extreme Lifestyles channel, which I'll share at a link at the end. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you all next week. Most importantly, happy camping.